think I'm ready for my close-up.
What's up, you guys? It's Mike. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a wig review. I haven't done these in a minute, and I know you guys been missing me. I know, but I'm back now. And yeah, today's wig is from Samsbeauty, and we're going to be doing a review on this gorgeous piece. Her name is Buttercup. And if you are new, of course, thank you so much for tuning in today, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so you can join the family. And if you're not, thank you for coming on back today. And if you guys want to see the review on this lovely beauty, then continue to watch. Okay, you guys, I'm coming at y'all already ready to go. I have my wig cap and I have my hair already tied down. Don't mind my makeup not coming all the way up here. Don't mind it. I'm not trying to get makeup in my hairline because, you know, I'm trying to grow it back. But anyway, that's a whole nother story. But yeah, it's gonna be covered up anyway. So, as you guys know from the intro, today's wig is from Samsbeauty, and her name is Buttercup, and I'm about to show you guys what it looks like. And this is what she looks like. I hope my lights are not blaring it out. This wig is from Bobbi, and it's their Boss wig, synthetic wig in the style Buttercup. And she's like a curly afro. Let me show y'all the tag in a second. I'll get it out the pack. Okay. And of course, I love curly wigs. I had a selection of wigs to pick from, and I just had to get a curly wig. I just could not get away from not getting a curly wig. And this wig is almost like an afro, curly afro, and I never had a style like this before. So I'm taking it out of pack. If I'm looking down or anything, I'm trying to figure this part out. This is what the wig looks like out of the pack. It looks like a Jerry curl almost, doesn't it? I know. We're gonna fix that in a second. So let's put this on. I look like somebody's grandmama, y'all. Oh my god. Woo wee. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's fluff her out. Let me knock out some of these curls because she's looking like someone's grandmother. Right? And I'm not trying to look like somebody's grandmama. I ain't had no kids yet, and I ain't trying to get that old yet. Okay, let's see what we can do. All right, let's fluff her out. And I'm just using my fingers, you guys. The hair is really soft. I'm really shocked at it. Really, Bobbi has some really good wigs, you guys, and this is really soft. It feels like I can't pinpoint what it feels like, but it's not really tight. And I haven't worn wigs in a while because I'm trying to stay away from them a little bit because I'm trying to grow my edges back. But you know, I like curly wigs like this because I can really just pull them down past my hairline really and just wear them on my forehead or whatnot. And let me shake it. It shakes really well. Like, it's really pretty. It doesn't have a middle part or anything, which is okay. Ooh. Okay, hold up. Okay, I'm looking at myself in my monitor. So yeah, if y'all see me looking over there, that's what I'm looking at. Ooh. All right. Okay. It's different. It's different. Look here. You on my edge, bro. You on my edge. Let's wind it back. Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay. And I actually really like it after I fluffed it out and shaped it a little bit more. It already has a natural kind of heart shape to it, a little bit like an afro shape to it, which I like that a lot about it. Me personally, I wouldn't cut it. I wouldn't mess with it. It's just different. I'm not really used to like this type of curl, and that's why I got it. And I was like, oh, it's cute on the model and on the package. But when I fluff it out, I really like it. It's cute. You guys like it? Okay, as you guys can see, that upon first like me applying it on, I was like, I don't know about this, because it's like, it looks like a cherry curl and I look like somebody's grandmother, and I'm not trying to look like nobody's grandmother. I already don't have kids and it ain't that time for me yet, okay, to be nobody's grandma. But after I fluffed it out and, you know, made it fit my face, it kind of grew on me. It's starting to really grow on me. I never had a style like this before. I love curly wigs. I love curly hair on my face because I just think that it frames my face so well. But I never had a shape like this before, and that's what made me initially want to try it. And I wish that I got the other colors. They have so many colors, y'all. They have like a burgundy, had an eggplant, they had a blue, like, oh. And I had my favorite color. Y'all know, if y'all not new, y'all know I love ombre. Y'all know I love it. But I was just like, I want to be safe and I want to be neutral and I want to see what it would look like on me first. And I was like, okay, if I like it, I might go back and get my ombre. We'll see. But the model had the ombre on. It was so cute, and I was just like, yes, I want to try it. But I want to be safe, and I think black looks flattering on anybody. Now the hair is really soft. It picked out really easily. I didn't have to use a comb or anything to get the curls to like fluff out. The hair is shiny, which it should be. It's black hair is really shiny, and it's really soft. It's movable. The hair, the wig is not going anywhere. I don't think it has combs in it. Let me see. I didn't even feel for any combs. I don't feel any combs. And I'm glad that it doesn't even have combs, because combs irritate and they snag on my little wig thing under my head and they irritate. So I just really like that, and it's really snug, and I have a big head, and it was like had the latches on already attached. I was like, no baby girl, we're not gonna keep this attached. I have a big head and nobody ain't got time. And a tip, you guys, if the wig irritates you on like the band, which all synthetic wigs have a band on it. Now they have like the lace front ones, but most of the curly wigs that you get, they're gonna have the little band or where the hair stops. Make sure your edges are really lubricated when you put on a wig, and make sure that this is like whatever you're putting on is protecting it. Or get one of those band things. I don't know if it will work, the lace band thing that the wig's not going to go anywhere. You guys should try that out so your edges won't be in the way. Or don't wear a wig for a long time or all the time. But yeah, this is my tip, because I'm trying to grow my edges back, and wigs are the culprit. So yeah, but pretty much I really like this wig. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, tell y'all just to go get this wig, or tell y'all I love it just because it was sent to me or whatever. No, I really like it. It's soft. I might have to pick out the curls in the back a little bit more to make it fluff it out a little bit more, but other than that, I really like it. It's different. It's a wild card. I've never ever thought I would wear something like this, and I really like it. I look like Diana Ross and Macy Grays and Tracy Ellis Ross, and I just look different. I didn't expect this. And if you guys really like this unit, Miss Buttercup, I will leave all the details down below. Make sure you check them out. I leave all the juicy details down there. You guys read the description box. Please. And the comment for today is, what do you guys like to shop for your wigs? Do you like to shop in the store? Do you like to shop online? If you do like to shop online, where do you like to shop at? What type of wigs you like to get? What type of brands? The color? Everything. Let's just start a discussion down in the comment section, okay? You guys let me know. Let's do that. But other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I love you so much. Make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys